5 AI tools that are replacing entire departments. Every few decades, a technology comes along that doesn't just change how we work, it changes who does the work. The printing press replaced scribes. The spreadsheet replaced rooms full of accountants. The internet replaced entire travel agencies, video rental stores, and newspaper classifieds. And right now, quietly, AI is doing the same thing to entire departments inside companies of every size. This isn't a future prediction. It's happening today in real companies with real tools that are already available. Today we're looking at 5 AI tools that are already doing the jobs that used to require full teams, and what that means for you, your career, and the future of work. The first department feeling the shift is customer support. For decades, customer support meant hiring dozens of agents to answer the same questions over and over. What are your opening hours? Where is my order? How do I reset my password? These questions are repetitive, predictable, and frankly, exhausting for human agents to answer all day long. Intercom's AI agent called Finn now handles up to 80% of customer queries automatically, instantly, 24 hours a day. In multiple languages, it reads your entire help documentation, understands context, and gives accurate, specific answers without following a rigid script. Shopify, one of the largest e-commerce platforms in the world, deployed Finn and reduced their support volume dramatically overnight. Their human agents now focus exclusively on complex, high-value interactions that actually require human judgment and empathy. This isn't a chatbot that says, "I didn't understand that. Please try again." This is AI that actually resolves issues on the first attempt. The customer support department, as we knew it, is fundamentally and permanently changing. Next is marketing. The marketing department has always been one of the most resource-intensive in any company. Writing product descriptions, social media posts, email campaigns, ad copy, blog articles, landing pages. This used to require a large team of skilled copywriters working around the clock. Jasper AI generates all of this in seconds, trained specifically on high-converting marketing language and proven copywriting frameworks. What took a team of 5 people a full week now takes one person an afternoon. And the quality isn't just acceptable. In many cases, it outperforms human-written copy because it's trained on millions of examples of what actually converts. Major brands including HubSpot, Airbnb, and dozens of Fortune 500 companies have already integrated AI writing tools into their core marketing workflows. The marketing department isn't disappearing, but it's shrinking fast and becoming far more efficient. The people who remain are the ones who know how to direct AI strategically rather than compete with it manually. Third is data analysis. For most of business history, making sense of data required specialized skills. You needed a data analyst, SQL knowledge, business intelligence software, and often days or weeks of work just to answer a single business question. Julius AI changes all of that. It lets anyone, regardless of technical background, upload a spreadsheet and ask questions in plain English. Which products had the highest return rate last quarter? Which sales region is underperforming and why? What's the correlation between our marketing spend and customer acquisition? Julius reads the data, runs the analysis, identifies patterns, and gives you a clear answer with charts and visualizations. No code, no SQL, no technical background needed. This is exactly what used to justify entire business intelligence departments with 6-figure salaries. Now it's a $20 per month subscription that anyone in the company can use. Fourth is video production. Creating professional video content used to be one of the most expensive and time-consuming processes in any organization. You needed camera operators, lighting technicians, video editors, voiceover artists, motion graphics designers, and a post-production pipeline that could take weeks. Tools like Runway now generate cinematic, photorealistic video footage directly from text prompts. ElevenLabs produces voiceovers that are genuinely indistinguishable from professional voice actors, with emotion, pacing, and natural cadence that would have cost thousands of dollars just 2 years ago. The entire production pipeline for explainer videos, Product demos, training content, and marketing videos can now be handled by one person with the right AI tools and a laptop. What used to cost $50,000 and take 2 months now costs $50 and takes an afternoon. Fifth is HR and recruiting. The recruiting process has always been brutally time-consuming, screening hundreds of CVs, scheduling dozens of interviews, writing job descriptions, conducting background checks, making offers, and onboarding new employees. Each of these steps used to require dedicated HR professionals spending hours on manual, repetitive work. Workday's AI layer now automates large parts of this entire process. It screens and ranks candidates based on job requirements, identifies skill gaps in the existing workforce, generates personalized job descriptions, schedules interviews automatically, drafts offer letters, and creates customized onboarding plans for each new hire. What used to require a recruiting team of 10 is increasingly managed by AI, with 1 or 2 humans overseeing the process and making final decisions. Here's the pattern you'll notice across all 5 of these examples. AI isn't replacing human judgment, it's replacing human repetition. Every tool we looked at today is handling the part of the job that was predictable, repetitive, and rule-based. The parts that required creativity, relationship building, strategic thinking, and genuine human connection, those are still firmly in human hands, and that's actually the opportunity here. The people who will thrive in the next decade are not the ones who ignore these tools and hope they go away. They're the ones who understand them deeply, use them strategically, and free up their own time and energy for the work that AI genuinely cannot do. That's exactly what this channel is built around. Every single week we break down the AI tools, the emerging technologies, and the shifts that are building tomorrow so that you understand what's coming before it arrives. If that sounds useful to you, subscribe right now and hit the bell so you never miss an upload. And if you want to try the AI voiceover tool used to produce this video, the link is in the description below. We'll see you in the next one.